How to see what someone likes on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can see what someone likes on Instagram. So without any further delay, let's get started. In order to see what someone likes on Instagram, the Instagram does not provide a direct way to view someone else's activity. However, there are some indirect methods to get an idea of what someone likes or dislikes on Instagram. The first method is to check their profile in post. You can always visit their profile and you can look at the content they post as often reflects their interest. You can always browse their history or stories for additional insights and information about their likes on Instagram. The second method is to view their following list. You can check who they follow. Often people follow accounts related to their hobbies, interests, or favorite celebrities. So this is another way to view what someone likes on Instagram. The third option is to use the search function. You can tap on the search bar, and using this search function, if you search for a specific post and know the persons interacted with it, you might see their name in the list of likes. And the other way is to observe their tagged content. You can go to the tagged section of their profile to see photos or videos other users have tagged them in which they may hint at their interest. So these are all the ways which will help you to see what someone likes on Instagram. But remember to respect other user privacy. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.